Welcome back guys. Today we will talk about gold. To start off, I had mentioned this price channel that we are in currently. This is somewhere mid-June from where we are in this price channel. 1, 2, 3 times getting rejected, 4th time trying to test this area. Also, the other important thing is this green box over here was the previous 2-year buying support which got broken. This is at around 1675 to 1725. Hence you can see all of this rejection that happened in this range. Even over here rejected, successful breakout over here, however again got rejected. So as you can see, we are again in this area almost at the top part of this channel. So we are in a strong resistance zone. In terms of support, we can see that 1625 is actually acting as a very strong support. It is finding it difficult to break from this level. However, if the financial results and the economic data keeps coming out to be weak, we can see something of this sort. We were defending this area and then little bit pump and then suddenly saw a big decline. So similar thing can happen, that we are defending this level and due to some economic news or election news we can see a dump. If I zoom out, I want to show you that the next important support level will actually be at 1550 over here, and this will be the bottom part of the channel also. So it can actually become very dangerous for gold. Daily RSI is sitting at 54. However, another important thing is, look at this. The RSI doesn't like to go above 60 and is getting rejected from this point since April 2022, and we are almost there and we are at this resistance zone. So quite the chance that we might just start dropping from here back towards 1625. Not only this, if I quickly drop the Fib levels from the recent high, look at what is happening. We are facing rejection in this area, which is actually the gold zone at 0.618 and the 0.5 level. So price is struggling over here. There is a possibility that we might try to test 1650, which is around here, and then try to find some support. But as you know, this week is quite important. We have US elections, we have inflation data. So yes, these things will definitely impact the price of gold. Let's jump over to the 4-hour chart. The first thing I can notice over here is actually quite interesting. Let me build up this channel and then I will show you. Look at this. This is actually a bull flag that is forming on gold. We might come down to test this area again, 1650, 1660, and then if we are able to break out from the top part of the channel and retest it, there can be a very good bounce on gold. Probably try to target 1700 where the 200 moving average in red is sitting also. So yes, on the 4-hour looks like a bullish flag. However, RSI is sitting at 62, so quite overbought already. And as you know, larger time frames have more value, as we saw on the daily that we are approaching strong resistance. So yes, downward pressure can develop. In case we start seeing a drop, keep an eye on this 1615, 1630 level. This is quite protected since September 2022. So any dip in these areas can act as good first buying areas. And if we fail to hold this range, then like I showed you before, 1550 will be the next support area, which will be the bottom part of this channel. So let me know in the comments guys, what do you think? Where is gold headed? Are we going back towards 1625, or we are going to see a pump towards 1700 or 1725 area? Also, if you like this analysis, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.